Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video related to LinkedIn where I'll show you how to create polls on LinkedIn. Polls are useful to understand certain strategy or thinking from your user or from customers or from connection members on LinkedIn. Then it is of great help or great use. So let's go and see how you can create polls on LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn homepage. So you have to click here on start post and there are certain options at the down. So click on create poll and then you can frame certain question that you want to have opinion or poll for. Like for example, I want to write, is there any future in machine learning? Right, this is my poll and I can write the options yes or no or maybe. Right, you can add an option here like maybe. You can add different options as per your thinking or what you have desired for. And there is a poll duration also you can set, like it could be for 1 week or 3 days or 2 weeks. So let's set it for 1 week and let's go say done. So write more, add more text over here. So the users are more clear what is that you are speaking about. So once you add text, try to add some more hashtags related to that. Right, for example, machine learning engineer or machine learning could be my hashtag. And just remember here one more thing that is available, that you can turn on this post to a particular user or particular people that you want to show it. It could be only for connection, it could be for selected group members, it could be anyone on Twitter or LinkedIn. So it will helpful for you to design your poll accordingly to particular viewers. In this way, it is an amazing feature. Go and try it out and let me know how's your experience with this. And thanks for watching. See you in next video.